channel, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a braid out on 4-type hair, natural hair, thick hair, you know, I got you. So the products that you need is contour leave-in conditioner. For some moisture, I'm using the Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner, Eco Styler gel. And before you take out your braids, you use some braid sheen organ oil or just any form of oil base that you have. For washing up my hair, I'm going to be using the Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to be washing my hair and then I'll come back and show you the entire braid out process. So I'm going to wash my hair and come back and show you the steps. Okay, so now that my hair is fully washed, this is what it's looking like after completely washing my hair. So now let's get on to the braiding. So the first thing you're going to do is just section off the hair in manageable sections. I'm just going to be doing, and your parting don't have to be perfect, guys. So I'm just going to do a part here, going down the extreme back. And I'm going to put all of this away. So I'm going to take a scrunchie and put this away. So I'm going to be using a white teeth comb, and I'm just going to do, I'm doing the braids in small sections. You don't want the braids to be too big or too small, because if they're too small, it's going to take a longer time to pull out, even though it will dry faster. But if you do the braids too big, it will take a longer time to dry, but you will be able to pull it out faster. So I'm going to be doing back very small, and as I reach to the front, I'm going to be doing it medium size. So first thing, I'm going to oil my scalp. And I'm going to be adding some leave-in conditioner. Not a lot. You do not want to use a lot. Rub it through the hair, and then I add a little gel. It's just so hard to open. So I'm going to be adding some gel. And I detangle. Because I detangled my hair in the shower, it's not hard to detangle right now. So you want to make sure you do that. You want to make sure that you get a lot of product on the end, because you don't want the ends to dry. And there we go. And all you do now is just simply, okay, so all you do is just plait. Get 3 sections like this, and you just simply when you reach down to the end, all you do is just twist. So what I would do, I would add more product on the end. So I'd add some more gel on the ends and just twist. And I twirl the ends around. So I had to change my shirt because the other one got really wet. So as you can see, I'm in a total different shirt right now. Side part, so that's what I'm going to do. Go. So the front, you want to make sure that your part is looking good. I'm gonna put all of this away. Almost done, guys. Almost done. And I'm just going to oil the parts. Okay, so that side is done. So now it's time to do this. I only added the Blue Magic and nothing else, and comb up my hair and other than made my hair curly. So I'm just saying that if you do not have the contour leave-in conditioner or you don't have gel at the moment, you can still just use this one product or any other like area that you have, and I guarantee you that it makes your hair curly. But just make sure you put a lot of product on the ends because you do not want the ends to be dry. So all my hair is braided up. So what I'm going to do now is just take a little gel and use my edge brush and just brush in some of these edges in. Just something simple. There we go. So I'm going to allow this to air dry, and I'll come back to you when it is fully dry. So my hair is fully dry now, so I'm going to show you how to fully take out your braids. So first thing, I'm going to be using some Braid Sheen Argan Oil. And you want to make sure that when you're pulling out the braids, you're pulling them out good, so you do not mash up the curls. Okay, so just rubbing it in. Got to make sure this hair is oiled. Now it's time to take them out. So I'm going to start at the back, the first row at the back. So I'm just going to put all of this away, and I'm going to start pulling out the back. How's everybody doing today? One thing, like the economy is opening back up. Like based on everything that's going on, like it's a lot that's going on in this 2020. It's like Corona never existed anymore because everybody's just basically a golden day, and yeah, it's like Corona where? Corona what? Corona gone. Yo. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out majority of the hair. As you can see, I just got like one here, and I have one over here. So I'm gonna pull these out. And you gotta be very gentle not to mess up the curl, but just in case you have like one section of your hair that is like looking flat, you can always go back in with your gel and just curl it back. But as you can see with the braid out, it stretches your hair at the same time, so you're still getting length with your hair as opposed to doing a twist out or any other method where your hair kind of shrink. I love this better than a twist out, honestly. Like I would do a braid out more. I love doing braid outs, honestly. So after pulling out everything, I'm going to show you how to fluff. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to be wetting here, these parts right here, and gel down. Just a little, not a lot. Because I'm going to gel it down. Let me go separate some of the curls, just enough to make the hair look fluffy. Okay, so you just follow the pattern of the curls. You just follow the pattern of the curl and just separate it. And yeah. is a little fluffy and there's still some definition, some length in this braid out tutorial that I just showed you. Did my edges right here, baby hairs laying down, something simple, something cute, and yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. Be on the lookout for my next video dropping next week Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.